What's going on, guys? It's Roberto here, and I'm here to talk about another trade that I took today. It wasn't on my funded account challenge again, just because I was trying to get into the swing of things, but I'm more confident again, and I feel like probably tomorrow I'm gonna get back into it and use my funded account actually to see if I could pass the challenge. But today I took another mock trade, or I took like the actual trade on Trade Locker off fake what's it called, demo account. And yeah, I ended up winning. Price ended up going really high. Prices went up today crazy, but I was able to use some concepts that I normally do, and I was confident in the trade. And excuse me, there's some Applebee's with my cousins. Um, but nah, yeah, that it was a good trade today. Let's get over it. Um, what's it called? Let's see. So in the daily, as you can see, we're bullish. I took another S&P 500 trade. US 30, we're looking good too. I had a couple mock trades that I did, so there wasn't here, but there was a one on Nasdaq, as you can see. US 30, we're looking good too, but I was seeing more things on the S&P 500. That the fucking what's it called? US 30 was going crazy. There was no entry there. But as you can see, I marked out the lows from previous days. I think this is previous day's low. All right. Yeah, who's around there? I traded today the 9th. Yeah. So it was the previous day low. I'm looking at the hourly. Trying to see if we swept it, which was a low of 16418, and we came to 16407. So we swept the liquidity here, and now we came back up, and we had really this high that I was expecting us to break, which we did. So that was kind of one of my main compliments, what you think we were gonna hit, because as you can see, price was coming back into this area. I would say. I knew price was gonna come back into here, like so I was like, yeah, and like here too, like I knew we were gonna come back up. But with price being bullish, we swept liquidity here, came back up, knew we were coming down. Now I was really looking for something as really confirmation that we were gonna push up, and that came in the form of this 15-minute fair value gap, where price just came in, basically took it out everything, and we stayed inside of it. So that's how I knew we were gonna be bullish. And there was another 15-minute fair value gap in here, which we respected. So price was just overall showing that we were going to go up. And ultimately, this was before my trading time of 9:30, which is this one I'm in the market, really hunting at 9:30. Um, I thought price was going to come and just sweep out these highs and then just go lower. But thank God we didn't reach the highs yet, so I knew we were going to come in. And that's when I really spotted this 15-minute fair value gap. And I was like, if we come in here and we are able to just respect it and not go past it, as you can see, we went past it, but we able to respect it. Um, I knew we were going to be good from it because we had the liquidity sweep. Then we had the 15-minute fair value gap respected here, and we had these highs where price was going to come up to. So I was confident we were going to be bullish today. Um, and on the 5-minute, it was even more bullish in the fact this 5-minute kind of fair value gap that was still filled. We hit it, and there's doji right here. This doji really told me we have more buyers in the market. I took this trade on the 1 minute, like I normally do, seeing all these confirmations on the higher time frames. I knew we were going to respect it and come back up. And once I seen really a break of structure around from here, I was confident in us coming in and taking the trade. So I came in off this bigger structure, and I just set a 1 TP here. I could have set a second TP at this daily high, which we would have hit calmly. But for right now, I'm just trying to get really used to Trade Locker, and I just wanted to take my take profit because I'm still getting used to getting back into it, and I didn't want to overdo myself because price was really holding that high for a while, so I didn't know we were gonna come all the way up and sweep it. But price, as you can see, ended up going extremely higher, and I was looking at this as a mock trade I could have done around this time. I took my trade early. It wasn't even 10 o'clock by the time we finished. So what's it called? I could have re-entered this trade and entered back into the market. This would have been a good high. We came here, took out these highs, came back down, hit this 5 minute fair value gap, or was it a 15? Yeah, hit this 15-minute fair value gap. Respected it, and then once we were able to pull bullish, probably close the top this fair value gap. Let me mark that. Once you're able to clear that fair value gap, where's my other mock trade? Oh, right here. This is my mock trade. Okay. So what did I do? Oh, this 5 minute fair value gap. So I was right. This is another thing I was looking at. Sorry. I'm all over the place. I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. These 12. I'm dead, but I wanted to get this recap out so I could watch it later. Or if it helps somebody out, I'm always here to help. Yeah, I seen we broke structure here. Really, confident we're gonna continue bullish. This is just another mock trade. This isn't a trade I took, but this was just what I was looking at after. And yeah, we would have set TPs up to here, which I think was the top of an hourly high, or top of an hourly for value gap, and set stops around here. Probably set stops like around here actually. Take this out. Set stops around here because I wouldn't want to lose another trade crazy. And yeah, would have ended up winning that trade too. I had another bot trade on NASDAQ too, I believe. Yeah. NASDAQ was good too because we swept out highs. We swept out lows. Uh, as you can see on NASDAQ, we swept out these lows. This low, we didn't sweep out this low particularly, but we swept out this low. We're coming to this one, but we didn't really get it. And then on the 15-minute, this was the low really that I was talking about, this main low, because price was sticking around here a lot, as you can see. And we came in, swept this out, and now I knew we were going to be bullish because everything else, all the other ones were bullish with S&P and US 30. Once we swept this out, I was looking for a fair value gap to be filled. Ended up with the 5 minute fair value gap being filled. Breaking structure here. No, that's a 2-minute, that's a 3-minute ref. Or 1 minute. Then come around to 1 minute. Seeing us really break structure here. Calmly would have entered, set stops underneath. Probably this low fair value gap, not fair value, but probably there. Wouldn't have want to go too low. Cause of this fair value gap. Would have wanted this fair value gap. If we bypass that one, then we would have just gone back into this one, and I was fine with that being wrong. So yeah, I think that's why I had it this low. Just for spread, and then take profit 1, take profit 2, and then take profit 3. Probably would have just taken out at this take. Probably would have just done 2 take profits. It was 1 here and 2 there. This was something I saw later on too. I'm gonna start really going to the, even if I come at like 9:30 and I'm able to enter a trade before 10, maybe around 10, I'm gonna still look till around 11, which is still the New York time kill zone. So I'm still gonna enter to the kill zone, and hopefully we're able to get maybe another trade too. But yeah, these are pretty solid days. It was a good solid day today. US 30 really didn't give me much because it was just going to the moon. Like literally from like an hour, there was like no bullish candle. Like not even like, yeah, like from 4:30 to like 5:30, there was probably as many bearish candles as many fingers I have. in a total hour span. So this was a very, very bullish day. And as you can see, there is no entry here. There's no entry here at all. No form of entry. So there was nothing I could have done there. Um, like we swept out these lows, but even then, like we had this tiny fair value gap created, this imbalance, I would say. In a sense, we came in and price was just choppy, even on the 5 minute. Like we respected the imbalance, but there was nothing much. Like we had this fair value gap, but price just like literally two bearish 5 minute candles. Like that's insane. But yeah, that's why I didn't trade US 30. As you can see, there's a lot of fair value gaps on S&P that were respected, so I was happy. I'll trade gold. Bitcoin's doing all right, below the 5 minute. But yeah, that was my trade for today. Put me up. Yeah, that's my trades for today. Hopefully, you guys were able to see how I trade in a sense of really looking for liquidity, sleeping for value gaps, and looking for a bigger structure for an entry. This is something that's worked for me for a while, so I'm not too unfamiliar with it. I'm pretty familiar with it. If you look me looking at my other screen, so I'm just seeing if I can still see myself. But yeah, no. Happy we took this trade. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a trade with the real funded account. Hopefully I win because I am 1% away from losing it. If I do lose it, RIP, and we'll try again. Hopefully, the goal is to get funded by my birthday, which is June 30. As the time I'm recording this, it is May 10th at 12 a.m. But this is a May 9th trade, so May 9th, 2024. That was when I took this trade. Hopefully by June 30, around a month and month and 2/3. If I lose this challenge, I will beg mom for another funded account, and if I'm able to get that, I could get yeah, let's hope we can win it because I think I could do it now. I'm getting more confident. School ended. I'm watching more videos. I'm getting more time to do what I want to do. So I'm happy. Thank God that I'm able to have this opportunity. Always blessed. Keep blessed. Stay blessed, guys. And always thank God for another day above ground. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching and have a good day.